Yo, what up, y'all? Bump from Bumps on the Road Auto Repair. Today we putting the window, of course, it's passenger side rear window. It's 2017 Nissan Altima, but this here can range from 2013 to 2018. Now, to get this window put in, you have to first remove this here track screw that holds the track. It's a 10mm screw. As you can see, I already got it removed. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible, get right to it. So a lot of people don't know, you know, what you have to replace here. I'm not sure what size it is. I already got it removed, but these here is 2 alley keys. But you have to remove this. The only way to put this window in, you have to remove that to remove the track. This here is one whole piece. This is the rubber for the track. And once you remove these screws, this here is one whole piece. Can't get the window out unless you remove that. Once I remove this piece, I'm gonna put it back in the same way, one whole piece. We're gonna get this here window put in. The window is 15. Got it from a local salvage yard. Putting it right here in this here 18. We'll come around this way. Gotta slide the window. This groove is the only way this window goes in. So you have to remove that track. And once you remove that track, slide 1, 2, 3. The window goes right in. And there you have it. Yeah. And you just put everything back, same reverse order. Slide the track down in the window. Yep. Just put that here groove back there, as it should, same way it came off. Put your rubber back in this track. I don't know if y'all need to see me do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and yep. Right behind this rubber here, door strip. This is a T20. So from here, you can line that window up. You can go either way. Probably want to start from the front, putting that track there on the front. You go ahead and give you room from the back side. Yep. Come up with it a little bit. You're never gonna go in no other way, was it? Oh man. In there. So these are tracks. Yeah, like I say, this only goes for vehicles from a 13 to a 2018. Any glass will fit.
Nissan 2013 to a 2018.
Yep.
So 2018, right?
2018 Altima. Yep. So you don't put this back. You don't put this bolt. It's 10mm back until you got the window on track. Until it's on track. That way you can move the track around. That way you can have a little room move that track back and forth to get that window on, depending on like it should. And once you get that window in there, in this track, the rest is a go. And as you can see, I got it right there on track. See that glass up in there? All we got to do now is bolt him up. See that window up there?
They said that last bolt don't go in there.
Yeah, until this window is on track. Once this window is on track and it's in its grooves as it should, you can put that bolt in there because now the bolt is holding the window on track. Which is a 10mm bolt. Which is a 10mm. Once you put that back in there, it's gonna support that there track. Hold it right in place. Now the window don't move, you see that? The window don't move. I'm gonna go ahead and line it up and put it on this track so we can let it up and down. And there you go. I'm sure you know the rest of the steps. Again, this is Bumps on the Road Audio. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe too on your way out.